Some people, we have some things to get in because Mr. Vegas come out and him have some things to say. But see him, you see me, it look like say after him get released and everything, Vegas link him and him tell Vegas I bagalize my people. So Vegas come out and deal with him away. Seeing we're gonna get in at that. Plus, me just wanna say to the person who sell the bike there, count on no days. Yeah man, no count on no days. Brit don't even have a license. I do not think Brit have a license, but she can have one still. And them sell Brit a bike. Brit don't even can angle herself. What the year I see a little screen record with Brit seeing, and Brit lift up the bicycle and I walk with it. You saw me I say instead of she I ride it. So anybody who sell her that bike there, remember me tell you now, have a special place down in hell. People when you see the videos them with Brit on the bike, me I go share one with Uno and go to my opinion. But we have a lot for going on. Seeing me also have Rochell, like she talk about the situation with she and Dinier, you know what I mean? And she has said she not really like I don't even know yeah my people, cause you know me feel like say she's hurt, but she now go the extreme when it come to him, because it's like she want left a little room there, so if anything I go get back to me no know. We are gonna hear what she has say and you know what I mean, give opinion, cause me I go tell you know what me feel. I want to tell me what I feel about the situation. See, so we are gonna get in at that also my people. And this youth here, I'm saying name Storyteller. I think him have some things to say about Brit situation and the bike with them sell. Also, I also have some clips, my people, with CM when him a do him so him video them, like every time me hear this woman pa one live did I say it, you know, say him always like record, like you know what I mean, the stepdaughter right through and him a record her from behind because whatever reason. So me hear people did that talk about it, so I have some little clips where me I go show now where the people them put up and I show say a long time this man a go on with some things. You understand? I'm a people, me I go tell you something. You say if you live in a household with a person where the foolish like that, you have to pick up on it. Me don't want to blame the wife still, but me feel like say she like play a blind eye to a lot of the things them, because you are going me hear a woman forward for one I do one live and she say it takes a person outside of the house that this stepdaughter had to go to get help. She just didn't want him to stop the way I do, like you know what I mean, and she have to go outside. So that tells a lot, like you know what I mean. Say she not confident in the mother to go to her. Sometimes people have a foundation where them build and are you that say a legacy, somewhat of a legacy or whatever, right? Where them build and them just want keep that facade up. Them don't want nothing damage it, right? Them want look perfect in the eyes of the public and look squeaky clean and continue to make money, like them put money over everything. But once you them in a certain situation, you have to, you know what I mean, stop everything what you do and make sure say them good, because them never ask for there and you bring them here. So people, we are gonna kick it off with Vegas and then we'll get in at the rest.
Heal up. Now I want to talk about CMR again. People know Mr. Vegas for years you will understand that I am a strong advocate against these. As a matter of fact, I don't like them. I nearly dirt one of them, you know. I almost dirt one of them. Because he's a secondary victim. Meaning say, somebody when me related to, close to, love, got. So he's a secondary victim. And second, they do hurt too. So me not like. However, me still leave room for a person to get due process. So me not just jump up and as me hear people and say somebody do something, or if somebody get arrested, me run out and say the person. No. I believe in a due process. I want to see the evidence. Yeah. In this case with CMR, I have heard enough, and based on the, I want to tell you, CMR, say, I mean not say yes based on just the report. May I tell you say yes based on what you tell me. Yeah. You see, as a father, brother, me can't protect. You see, as a father, me can't protect. Me love me picking them too much, brother. Me have a daughter, and me have a son, and me have other children, but them they are the little one them. So when me look on a little girl, she not that far from a 12. Yeah. So anybody will violate. Once you violate, you're sick, brother. Brother. Now, the reason why I even come say due process, because I still leave room for due process no matter how me feel, because as a person who matriculated in the field of sociology, I have to deal with things objectively. You see? But with your situation, the reason why I have to let it be known so is because you're not only in my view, in my understanding, in my thoughts, you're a pathological liar. Yeah. And it hurt me for know, so me I said that before your trial even start, if it get to that. But whether you go to trial, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Whether you're found guilty, them find you guilty, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Based on the police and what you tell me. What you told me and what is in the police. And you spoke to me so convincing, and me as a father felt obligated to go and protect yours, because the people in my put on the internet, we also have a family thing and everybody knows. So I felt as a father, I must go out there and tell them, say it's not your step, because you told me it's not your step. You told me it's somebody down your house. You told me it's a Trini lady. So right there say click to me, say me know what my yard, you know. One, me not sure how I go on, me not know how I go on, and two, me no want nobody accuse me of anything. But I know that the police, brother. You say the mother reported, I know that the police. You say the mother is a Trini, and the sleep over. and you went to wake on your shoulder and said, get up, time to. You told me that your step was already up. You told me that your wife had to download the footage them that you had to show that and take it to the court, and that is how you got bail. You told me that they didn't even put a bangle on you. They never put no monitor on you, no bracelet, excuse me. Because the judge said, why is it that the mother one thing and it's something else? You said it, say. So you tell me, you know. You said it to the court or in a report, you never said. And the mother says so. You're very dangerous, brother, if what it is saying is what actually. And the reason I feel obligated to do this is because I'm not protect, brother. And I want whosoever involved to see this, to make them know that you are a liar. And them can take my phone for forensic if them need it. Because me not like this, brother. What in the report bothers me so much when I not sleep last night? Yeah. And the fact that to this or somebody outside of the home to make a complaint about you.
Alright, so my people, you see same thing me did I tell you, say the woman did I say, see Vegas come say the same thing you saw, say it look away if you know say she have her mother right there so, and she have to go out and go make somebody else know say such and such and such. It telling, you see me I say, it don't look good, especially it pan the mom. You understand me I say? So me know people are gonna have a lot to say about it, but you know me I say, you can't really stop people from saying what they want to say, because at the end of the day it look a way said way. That's why me I tell you say a lot of people them care about their image more than them youth. You understand? Because me know say nobody no want a passa like this, you know what I mean, fi overshadow what them really are trying to build. But if you are living at home where somebody like that, no man, you have to get them. If you don't want it to reach out in the public, try to find a way to stop it before it happen. You understand? Because you must can see some signs or whatever. But let me know what you think the people are going to watch some more.
It's telling. The reports happened 3 times. If this is the case. But it's contradictory to what you told me. So where is the Trinity mother, CMR? Where is CMR? As a father, you send me, you give me information, and it clicked in and said, no, me must go protect because me no want. So of course me go if I stop that, but you open up more wounds. Because you're, if this record is really what happened, and me get it from a legitimate site, you're crazy, brother. You need help, brother. And I can't believe you. Say nothing no go so, or nothing no go on. Why? Because you lied to me, bro. Remember, say you never have to even say nothing to me, you know. Me just text you and say, brother, why this no look good. That's all I said to you, you know. You never have to even say nothing to me. Me even said to you, say, remember, say this can be used against you in a court of law. So me make you know, say, me not you if something really goes so, if something really goes so. But as after, I felt obligated to protect. but you open up more wounds. So the beating way I get, it'll get worse. Because I want the world to know that you are a liar. You are a person based on the pot. Because we still are going to leave a little 1% there. Say I know the police that. But if that are the, you need to go and pray. Why? Because you're no longer credible. Yeah. So, you are. I want your wife and your family them way would I want to protect you? No say. Me not no reason to make up nothing for you. Them for you understand say they can't defend you against her. Because you're a liar. You don't have no credibility. Yeah.
People, I same thing me hear Shibata say. You know what I mean? Them kinda I blame the wife to my people, and me not lie, she is to get some of the blame. Because there's no way you can in a house to that person and not see the movements them way you make. You understand what I say? More than if somebody not really like pull out one side and say, yo, Ray, this and that. See, me see a person depend on alive on attack, and she has say she been commenting on their thing when them put up them video, and she see the little movements them with him and the youth. She always in the comment section and all no nobody no say Ray. You understand me? So people been a see what go on. So yeah, tell me say people from outside a see what go on, and you when the inside now see what go on. You just a play a blind eye because of all of the things them we are going the progress, right? You don't want that to stop. So you can't put vanity over your youth. You carry your youth come on the land. You're supposed to take care of your youth, make sure say your youth good. And me hear Shibata talk some things to me people. Me I go make you see a clip with Shibata and what Shibata say. So make we get into that.
The room, which me never know say him get the claimer, so all same affair be the him pull it down and go into the room and see himself. She said, and I showed her. And she'll say, I use. Me just want to ask, oh, remember the story coming on? Him say she, and all he could do is lock the door and tell her to get in the house. It's a dungeon. Anyways, moving right along. You understand me? Now she come back in return and tell lie to. So now me telling you say, sometimes kids tell the extreme because it's embarrassing to them now. Now, you understand me? So when him sister and him brother come out attack, you don't know the brother attitude. Cause it's true. She's coming into her own, she has pride. She has pride. Him do it the fuck up, pick me moody. Eh? Cause when I hear the rest of them, cause Christina tell what the rest say, how you know want she happen. Christina tell what the rest. Christina tell what the rest. I cannot blame Seymour. I cannot blame Seymour in this case because he's a sin, and what you expect from a sin is Chrissy is a mother and a woman and a wife. How you allow this? Oh, you still laugh in the face of this man after 3 times. Him do it 2 times already, and you still own up and husband up this man. Oh, why you fool for true? You still up and own up this man, and then no want to give her a pardon. I wouldn't give her a pardon because All I know, Chrissy don't do nothing for your daughter. All I know, Chrissy don't do nothing for your daughter as it relates to this. Then if everybody can see same ever video the body, why Chrissy can't see? Then also Chrissy blind in a relationship. Come on, man. Me can't side with Chrissy. And Chrissy a girl from day one. Me know say I evil that. She wicked.
Sometimes God takes you on a journey you didn't know you needed to bring you everything you ever wanted. Trust
the people that must celebrate the bike. Come here, we need for a reason. You used to say bumper club, Brit can ride the bicycle and you take up yourself and celebrate one bike. If sitting on to Brit tomorrow, we need to look for them people because them are wicked set of bumper club people. You used to say Brit no up on the right it and you tell me say your sister she can't ride the bicycle and you tell me say you sell her one bike. You sell her one bike? Then tell me now, which business place Brit go to buy the bike that we need to know. Because she crash off her bike and then know who. We need to know who. I'm happy for Brit. I prefer in one car though. I prefer in one car. She can roll 2 times and come out. But the bike, no, she said Brit can ride on bicycle and yet still not to come with phone herself now. And sell Brit one bike? You see greed? You see greed? Me understand say business not run now, but Brit is a known mad person. And wanna sell Brit one bike. Boy, I tell you.
Like, una just love share bad news. Una quick for just hear bad news. I mean, come tell on my business, you know, all because me don't want a woman them when did that talk to come tell on us, so me come tell on before. And so, I mean, come tell on. I mean, I feel no way about it. I mean, I really care who want bash me and who want say, yeah, Rochell what they tell her. I know, a cheater will always be a cheater. That's why somewhere we have to put on my foot and walk away. It is what it is. You ain't nothing. This is something one did want. Y'all get what y'all wanted. No, he ain't give you what Uno did want. All he had to do was shame on and prove on wrong, but he gave you exactly what y'all wanted. So Uno not surprised. Me Uno not surprised. So wanna share what is there to rejoice about? Wanna get one one, so Uno should just say yes, that's it. Thank God. Yes. That's it. I'm ready. I'll tell you guys exactly what happened. But right now, I'm not in no form of shape of mind to sit down and make that YouTube video. I ain't gonna lie. I'm talk the more me hurt, the more I think about it, the more I feel like my world just crumble apart. Me know it crumble apart, but right now that's how I feel. Feel like I wasted my time, you know. But I'm still young. I have my whole life ahead of me same way. I know I gotta go make a way. But true, you know, I'm a good person and a good soul, and I am beautiful.
Well, all me have to say to Rochell, you're gonna find yourself one day, you're gonna find them, it's alright, you know what I mean? And to the females, them nothing wrong with giving your man a chance, you know what I mean, or 2 or 3. But you have to know when to just leave it, you know what I mean, make him go on about him business. Don't push the issue. If you see same now change, let that go. Right? Same thing with the woman them. If you see the woman, let her go. Clearly she don't want you. She want to run up and down, right? Or clearly him don't want you. Him just want to run up and down. And Brit, you know, my people, why these men go sell Brit this bike here? May I tell you, this youth you say him prefer see Brit in a car. No, make she damage free herself on the bike. You know what I mean? No car make she go hurt other people. No. You come like say the man them just celebrate every single thing we have to do with bike. Clothes, helmet, gloves, every single thing on the bike. Yo, somebody need to go make them people take back every single thing with them celebrate and give back Brit our money. Them two rascal. Wicked. No wickedness to them people. Brit cat. Yo, me say Brit I yard with the bike a Tony on and I go on panny and now move it, cause Brit no know the first thing to move that. You go hear say Brit run up in a wall. You go hear say Brit run up in a wall and sitting in people just watch and see. Wait. Make watch some more people.
Beautiful inside and out. Me not deserve certain things, brother. So me not go stay in a certain things. Me appreciate all who bash me. Me just make sure say phone time never come. Me appreciate those who laugh. Me appreciate those who support. Me appreciate those who have a heart. And me appreciate those who still got me back in spite of everything. Me appreciate those who gonna be there for me for blessing and my unborn child. Me just appreciate all of you same way. No matter if you not bash me or not bash me. Me not have no heart, me not have no hatred in my heart to nobody. Me if whenever God ready, God have to send me one God person. That person that love God so much that he tell me everything in the Bible. You have to be a God person. You have to know God. See, if you don't know God, walk far from me. If me not meet you, you have to walk far from me. You have to know God, because if you're out there, the devil I use you, you're not ready for me none at all, sir. You're not ready for me none at all. You have to know the Bible from top to bottom. No, I got always talk like that's the only way I go feel better, by having conversation. So I don't really care who I'm bash me. Like if I have to come by and talk to you, I go talk until I feel better, and God take a little time and heal me. And whenever I'm ready to tell my story, if I ever in the position, like if I'm ever ready, I go talk exactly what happened. But just one thing if you know, say listen. If there's no more Rochell and then here, me need to support Rochell. If you want to see me drop one look a YouTube video a day in a life as a mother, me want to support me. Me no want to, because me know no always support the channel because of Rochell and then here, but now I'm me alone. So me I beg you to support me, for me. Never just support me because a couple. Me want to support me for me now, because it's not me. It's not me. If it's not me, me. So me I beg you to support me. For me, no. Me not even hate then here. Right now, me forgive him, but me just have to let him go. Me not hate him. Me can't hate somebody when me love from me I got high school till now. That mean me never love him. If me can't just get up and hate him, so me never love him. But I regret every single thing when me do. Me regret the opportunities that when me get to stop everything from happening and I didn't. Like him coming here, I could have stopped it and I didn't. Everybody did want me and I didn't. You know them little way, just the little signs them when me should have listened to, me never listened to. He's the father of my beautiful daughter. That will never go anywhere. And the bond way my blessing have, I feel like that hurt me the most. That him break my family to me. I feel like that really, really hurt me, saying break with family. I feel like that hurt me the most. I don't feel like I'm cheating because I know the type of man him be. So I feel like, you know, like when somebody up on chalk line with you, you know, say you love a person, you know, you wish for better. Yeah, I wish for better. I just hate saying do the same thing and break with family. I feel like that hurt the most. I'm not going like say, when life so perfect. I know I'm not rejoicing, but gosh, man. Me know not rejoice. Me know not rejoice. But you can't rejoice in a set brawling with the rejoice. So, gosh. I ask God when him go dry up my tears them. Cause why? You know somebody not deserve your tears them, but you just hurt. I feel like me just hurt because of blessing, brother. Me hurt because of blessing. Me hurt because this man took away the joy when me seen my baby. Wanna see connection with my blessing of? I feel like he don't care none at all, brother. Oh, sure, mama. God soon send me a person. God going to send somebody where mommy will deserve mommy. And mommy not to force no love, no nothing. Because it's when somebody hurt you from before, and they hurt you again, you know, say it gets you get used to it over. Like if you're a female, we keep and forgive him. It coming like you get so used to it. It coming like nothing. So you know, say sooner or later when the cup run over, it's gonna be easy for you to leave. If you don't get what me I say, so the fact that he did that the first time and I was so embarrassed and I was so hurt, and God helped me overcome, it becomes numb. That's the word. So it coming like that. Me literally right now me in a one position where yeah, sometimes it's like you're stuck, you know. When you have kids with one man, it's like you're stuck, you know. No matter how you want, no see them, no hear them, no nothing. I feel like me stuck, you know. No matter how you hate the person and the person have done you wrong, it's like you're stuck. Like if you want to avoid a person for the rest of your life, you really can't, because what? Once if you block them, it's like, oh, you're keeping them away from their kids. You don't want to see their kids. And you know they use the pitney them. I feel like them use the pitney them. If you play mind games, you use the pitney them. But nothing breeds prior. And nobody can take that away from me. You see, because I know God and I know what God have done for me and what I've been through with blessing. Remember everything when I go through, I did pregnant with blessing, you know. When I remember good, you know. When I remember good, I did pregnant when everything was going on with blessing in my belly. And see now, I have to go through something, I go through it again with a whole other baby. But you know what I always ask God for? I did not want to have baby for different baby father. I wanted to have my kids with one, so I know I don't know. I just know so I just have to deal with one man. That we not gonna have the opportunity to always be in the same space. I think you would have learned from the mistake and change, and I saw that I think that I saw that, but I was wrong all along. I was wrong all these time. I was so wrong. I was so wrong. And I wasn't blind, you know. I was not blind. I'm never blind to it. Sometimes we just have to book it to them over and over before we actually learn. So most people are root for him to say yes, then glad him come here, then glad him come here, and them glad them to say we are work together as a family. Me and then here was doing YouTube, we are making money and everything, and then here stop the YouTube, but oh, him excuse is him not like social media. He like it, guys. He just tune with that talk to him, woman them, and he need that telling woman them in your business. So that's a perfect opportunity for him. Stop make video with me, stop make money with me, so a woman them can feel like he have yard issue for true. You know them man they will tell you woman saying they have yard business.
Hey, this me I go say to people. Blinga never tell a lie for Rochell. Yes, so me I say when Blinga tell Rochell, say, hey, yeah man, get him over there, man. Remember me tell you, say when you get him over there, you just get him over there for the rest of woman them who him a go have over there. Him nah stop burn you. And so said, so done. No sir. Jaja. Boy my people, I just saw life set here man. And she has said she done with having youth. And unless she done with having man, because if a next man step up in her life, that the man they are going to have a youth. And that's how you find so enough woman have a lot of kids, because every man them there with them want a youth, you know what I mean? And when the relationship mash up and they move on to a next man, them are going to get so enough woman end up having a lot of kids. So let me know what they think, the people. I watch some more.
So then he can get out of the human and fractal. Yes. He stop everything we used to do for make money. When we realize how we used to do, we look at content them. He will look at content them. He stop the local content them with me. He stop the YouTube with me. He stop the everything with me where we're making money. So me left some there, so I just found TikTok alone. And I don't know if you have a family channel, people look forward to your family channel. Like if me do a video by myself, people not really watch it, you know. If me and him do video together, me sick and tired. I wanna share for life so far. At the first one I hear say one woman I go through heartbreak. The amount of bills we have. Nothing no sweet. Nothing no sweet. Me vex to guys. I don't think you vex more than me. I don't think you feel it more than me. 2 or more jobs you have to have when they are foreign. 2 or more jobs you have to have when they are foreign. Where you said to me, hype way. You know, foreign hard. You know, sometimes we're there and I struggle. And God just make a way for we same way. A man just cannot satisfy, point blank period. You see, you have good man out there. I mean, no say you have good man out there. Nobody can tell me say every man is this, every man is that. You have good man out there. And you have man who make mistake and make it right. You have man with cheat and make it right after. Me not go sit down here and blame every man. I'm not gonna blame every man. Every man is not the same.
Hey, my people, I one thing, me have to say still, you know, enough people got foreign and them see the lights and them see the whole heap of hot girl and sitting and get caught up in that and miss out. You see me, I say, because you see reality of foreign is like a lot of bills, especially when you have picnic. Oh my goodness, that is a different thing. You have to go give human child support, pay your bills and all these things. But me nah say he might go over there and look up and, you know what I mean, find a girl who have money and sitting here that can go on, but him have to know what he might do. You see me, can build with your woman or yo, fine, we mash it down. You see me? And enough people know that. Me never live there for experience certain things still, but we hear from people talk and we watch movie and them something there. But you are going with people, we're gonna go over Black Ryhno, you know, because boy, I tell you, Ryhno is a alright, so my people, about an hour or two after Popcan and Kartel link up and video start circulate, Black Ryhno post this. Him no best friend, him a rebel for life and ray. Yo, you know what say me feel like say if Kartel have a mind fi say make him link back with Black Ryhno, and them something here go make him don't link back with him, because Black Ryhno is a man who ever go up in him feelings when him see certain look of things. Sometimes you have to just hold it and just wait till the right time, then you can get a call up back. You know what I mean? Cause who to tell if Kartel no feel that way and just link him up and say, yo, forward a Freedom Street. You see me? So, let me know what you think, my people.